Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Neeraj ji. Thanks for joining
Good evening.
this session of Swar Shravan. So, on behalf of Swara School of Music, I welcome you and others who would join us hopefully shortly. As you can tell, Seshadri ji is not here. So I'm filling in for him, and hopefully I'll do a decent enough job.
Hello.
Yes, can you hear me? Okay.
Yes.
Yep, we
Okay.
can hear you. Sorry.
So just so before I hand it over to Manoj sir for this session of Swar Shravan and introduce today's artist, just since we're just the three of us, still want to just explain the rules. Just keep your microphones on mute while Manoj sir is walking us through the artist and their work. And any questions, you can certainly put it in the chat session, or even we can make it interactive session once we're done with this session. But with that, let me hand it over to Manoj sir. Manoj sir, over to you.
Thank you so much, Naimish ji, and namaskar to everyone. So we are into session number 16 of our Swar Shravan session, and today is a very unique session in the sense that for the first time we will be doing a session in which we'll be talking about two brothers. So, as you know, it was the turn of the male vocalist for today's session. So we have two vocalists who are brothers, and probably, if I may say so, that they were maybe the first of their kind who began singing duets as a pair of two brothers. And these two artists came from across the neighbor, from Pakistan, and when they came to India, they really kind of captured everybody's attention. It was in the late 1950s that they came for the first time in India. And they really captured the attention of the audience with their very unique style of singing, and a totally new gharana, a new style of singing that they introduced to our audiences. And whom am I talking about? None other than Ustad Nazakat Ali Khan Sahab and Salamat Ali Khan Sahab. Yes, absolutely. So, Ustad Nazakat Ali Khan Sahab and Salamat Ali Khan Sahab. So, Nazakat Ali Khan Sahab, the elder brother, Salamat Ali Khan Sahab, couple of years younger to him. And their gharana is a very unique one. So, they came from, so they were, of course, they were originally from India, and they hailed from a village called Sham Chaurasi. Yes, Sham Chaurasi, which is in Punjab, in the Hoshiarpur district of the present day Punjab in India. And their gharana is called Sham Chaurasi Gharana. Apparently, they say that right from the times of Emperor Akbar, there have been singers who were part of this gharana. And this Sham Chaurasi Gharana, however, really came into prominence because of these two brothers, and that is why their contribution is very significant for having introduced a totally new, different style, a new gharana to the Hindustani music setup. So Sham Chaurasi Gharana. So when you listen to their style of singing, it's very unique, and I can tell you from my experience that there are some aspects of their singing which I felt had to grow into me, you know. When you initially hear them, it sounds so different and so out of convention from the way we are used to listening to Hindustani classical music. So it the style has to grow into you for you to be able to appreciate them more. And so that's why I think this could be a very humble beginning and a start for all of us to really appreciate their music. So let's start with the two ustads presenting for us Rag Bihag. Yes, a very popular rag. I'm sure all of you know the rag. So they'll be singing a composition in teen tal, starting in the middle tempo, that is the Madhyalay, and then going on to fast tempo, Drutalay, in which they'll be singing some very intricate sargams and tans. So here we go, Rag Bihag with Ustad Nazakat Ali Khan Sahab and Salamat Ali Khan Sahab.
3:41 p.m. 3. Play backward. Play. Button. Pause.
देखो आगे हेलवेले बन तन आए अपने बालों के मन भारी हेलवेले सजनी सजने 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 रजीले वागे सजने नैन रसीले सजने मन रंग सो मुस्काई देखो अलबेले मामा 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 मामा
There you go. Dance, Sargam.
Gaga mama mama gaga mama 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 da 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 mama da da mama mama gama ga pani da ni mama mama gama ga ni ni baba ba ni mama ma ni gaga ga mama mama gaga mama da ba ni da pani da ga da ni da ma da ni mama ba gama ga sa gama pa ni da 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 be ni na mama ba da mama da mama gama ga Pama ba gama ga pama ba gama ga pama ba gama ga da pada mama gama ga da pada mani ni pada mama ma da pada mama gama ga pani da gama mama gama ga da ni da gama ba gama ba gama ba ni da ni pama gama ga eleve 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 nar ban tan yaad Pani bata ni da pani bata ni da pani bata ni da pani bani da नैन रसीले वाके सजनी नैन रसीले नैन ला रसीले नैन रसीले बाग सजनी मन रंग सो मुस्काए मुस्काए मन रंग सो मुस्काए मन रंग सो कारी मन रंग सो कारी मन रंग सो मुस्काए मन रंग सो मुस्कारे अलबेलिना तमन तन आज अलबेलिना अलबे बन अलबेलिना बन तन आज जल तीन रे मम बद बद मम गम ग मप मप म गम मद पायल बेलिना अलबेलिना अलबेलिना आये अलबेलिना गामा बनी
Oops, sorry, the next piece started kind of accidentally. But yeah, so as you heard just now, especially towards the end when you heard them sing those those monstrously fast tans, right? So normally we are not used to listening to those kind of tans, and it's a very unique style of voice should I say voice projection that they have, which enables them to sing those tans. I think especially one of the brothers. So I'm sure all of you remember Pandit Rajan Mishraji and Sajan Mishraji, right? The way they used to complement each other. Rajan Mishraji was the one who would basically take the lead, and of course Sajanji also would chip in sometimes. That's exactly what we saw over here also. One of the brothers, I believe it is the elder one, the Ustad Nazakat Ali Khan Sahab, who was taking the lead, and Salamat Ali Khan Sahab was, just there with him, but also chipping in with his own variations from time to time. So, so that's the kind of style that we'll be listening to from them, and it's a very unique style. So, the next composition is going to be Rag Abhogi, in which they'll be singing a tarana, which you heard just now a little bit. So yeah, so Rag Abhogi. Abhogi is a pentatonic scale, five notes with pa and ni absent. So basically sa re ga ma dha dha sa dha sa re dha sa dha ma ga ma dha ga ma re dha dha re sa. So that is Rag Abhogi for you. So we'll be listening to the Ustads singing a tarana in Drut Teen Tal. So here it goes.
Favorite button.
Do you want to listen to Manoj Uncle's program?
So Anu, if you can just mute yourself. Thank you.
Sorry about that.
Previous track. Button. Play backward. Button. Cat P. Play. Button.
सर्वे नाज़नीन मनज़ मंच दीदई सर्वे नाज़नीन मनज़ मंच दीदई यकबार मेरे अज़मने मिस्की मुरीदाई ताना तेरे नदी यकबार मेरे अज़मने मिस्की मुरीदाई ताना तेरे नदी है सर्वनाश मंचे दिलाई यखुबा मेहर अज मने इसकी बुरी ताना दे ना दे ताना दे ना ताना दे ना दे ताना दे ना दे dere na dana dere na de dere de dere de dere de dana dana dere na de dana Dana dere na de dana dere na de dana dere na de dana dere na dana dere na de dana de dana de dana de dana dere na dana dana de dana de dana de dana dere na dana dana dere na de dana dere na dana dere na dana dere na de dana dere na dana dere na de dana dere de dana na de dana na de dana de dana dana de dana na na de dana
See, so yeah, so there you can see, it's almost like, when they sing those tans, it's like they're playing the violin, right? So if you listen to violin performances, when they do the bowing in a very fast speed, that's how their voice sounds when they sing tans. So it's really amazing as to how they do that. And as I said, this style is something that has to grow into you if you're not used to it. And but very unique style. And the tarana that we heard just now, you must have noticed that in the antara there were some Persian words, Farsi words, which is a very unique feature of the taranas that we hear in Hindustani music. That there are so many of them which have Persian texts in them, and then suddenly at the end of the antara they really take off and then come back to the sthai with the actual tarana syllables. So it's a very unique style of composition also that we have. The next one is going to be a morning melody, Rag Gujri Todi. So Gujri Todi and Miyaki Todi. Miyaki Todi is the more popular one. Gujri Todi is very similar to Miyaki Todi with a slight difference. In Miyaki Todi, we use the note pa while coming down in the avroha, whereas in Gujri Todi, that note is totally absent. But not just that, the way Gujri Todi is presented is also kind of different from Miyaki Todi, in the sense that in Gujri Todi, the note re is given a lot of prominence. So sad madani re 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 ga ma dha dha ma re re ga re ni re ni dha. So re and dha. Dha ga re re ga dha ma re ga re sa. So that is Gujri Todi for you. So let's listen to this Drut composition in Teen Tal from Ustad Nazakat Ali Khan Sahab and Salamat Ali Khan Sahab.
करना जा मोर बल मसदन 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 करना सदन करना जा मोर बल मसदन करना हमारे आंगन आरा सदन करना मोरे बल मसदन करना जो तुम बलमा मोरे जो तुम बलमा बलमा हमारा जियाना जला सदन करना जा मोर बल मसदन करना जा जोर गम धनि धनि द ग नि द रे नि द म रे ग म रे रे दा सदन करना सोता सदन करना जा सदन हमारे सदन करना जा मोर बल मसदन करना जा मोरे बल मसदन करना करना ओरे बल मसदन करना गरा
So that was Rag Gujri Todi, and if you can mute yourself, please. Thank you. Yeah. So this next part, the next segment, is the one like I always say, that it is my favorite, in which you hear the interview of the artists. So we have the interview of one of the brothers. In fact, the interview of both of them are available on YouTube, but we have picked up the interview with the younger one, Ustad Salamat Ali Khan Sahab. So the older one, Nazakat Ali Khan Sahab, actually passed away sooner, and Salamat Ali Khan Sahab performed after his brother passed away. He performed not only solo concerts but also along with his son Sharafat Ali Khan Sahab. So here is Ustad Salamat Ali Khan Sahab speaking, and yeah, in the interview you'll hear him mention about one of the legendary artists also whom he got to interact during one of the music festivals. So here it goes.
तो वो जानना चाहेंगे आप का जो घराना है, आप उसको
जी
किस नाम से कहते हैं?
अच्छा, मेरे घराने का नाम शाम चाची घराना, जो दुरपतियों का पंजाब का बड़ा मशहूर घराना है।
जी।
मेरे बुजुर्ग दुरपतिये थे। मेरे वालिद साहब ने मुझे दुरपत की तालीम भी दी और ख्याल की भी।
वाह।
लेकिन ज़्यादा उन्होंने जोर दिया कि ज़माने के साथ मिले ख्याल में।
वालिद साहब का नाम?
उस्ताद विलायत अली खान साहब शाम चाची वाले।
जी।
तो उनके फरमान के मुताबिक मैं ख्याल की तालीम हुई, मैंने मेहनत रियाज किया।
वाह।
और अल्लाह ने मेहरबानी की।
हाँ जी,
उसकी मेहरबानी से सब कुछ वो आपके सामने है।
तो वो जानना चाहेंगे आप का जो घराना है, आप उसको
जी
किस नाम से कहते हैं?
अच्छा, मेरे घराने का नाम शाम चाची घराना, जो दुरपतियों का पंजाब का बड़ा मशहूर घराना है।
जी।
मेरे बुजुर्ग दुरपतिये थे। मेरे वालिद साहब ने मुझे दुरपत की तालीम भी दी और ख्याल की भी।
वाह।
लेकिन ज़्यादा उन्होंने जोर दिया कि ज़माने के साथ मिले ख्याल में।
वालिद साहब का नाम?
उस्ताद विलायत अली खान साहब शाम चाची वाले।
जी।
तो उनके फरमान के मुताबिक मैं ख्याल की तालीम हुई, मैंने मेहनत रियाज किया।
वाह।
और अल्लाह ने मेहरबानी की।
हाँ जी,
उसकी मेहरबानी से सब कुछ वो आपके सामने है।
बाहर कहाँ आप? पाकिस्तान के बाहर, यूरोप वगैरह?
यूरोप में मैं इंग्लैंड गया हूँ।
अच्छा।
जर्मनी, हॉलैंड, इटली, रोम, पेरिस में, नॉर्वे, अलग फल से यूरोप के काफी मुल्क घूमने का मौका मिला मुझे।
वहाँ के किसी गवैये के साथ आप डुएट वगैरह कुछ गाए?
नहीं, वो मेरा गाना और उनका गाना बड़ा डिफरेंट है। मेरा गाना सुना लोगों ने, सिर्फ मेरे साथ गाने की जिसारत किसी ने नहीं की, क्योंकि ये गाना बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है। उनका गाना अंग्रेजी गाना डिफरेंट है।
आपने ये सोचा नहीं कि इन दोनों को मिलाएं या नजदीक लाएं?
इन दोनों को मिला के मेरा ख्याल है कोई अच्छी चीज नहीं बन सकती। दोनों अलग अलग अपनी सूरत रखें तो प्यारी है। इंडिया पाकिस्तान का जो म्यूजिक है, इसकी अपनी एक सूरत है।
सही है।
और ये इतनी मजबूत और इतनी पुख्ता है कि इसमें दूसरी चीज मिल ही नहीं सकती।
सही बात।
उनका जो म्यूजिक है वो अपनी जगह बड़ा पक्का है, बड़ा पुख्ता है।
जी जी।
तो अब पुख्ता चीजों को आप तोड़ तो सकते हैं, मिला के उसमें कुछ नहीं बना सकते।
अच्छा, करना
इसलिए मैंने ये कोशिश ही नहीं की। सुनाया उन लोगों को, उन्होंने बड़ा पसंद किया, बड़ी दाद दी, जितना भाग में था दाद मिल गई, बस इस पे इत्तेफा किया।
कर्नाटक म्यूजिक के आप बता रहे थे किसी के साथ?
कर्नाटक म्यूजिक में अच्छे आर्टिस्ट हैं। एक डॉक्टर बाला मुरारी कृष्णा मुझे रोम में मिले थे।
जी जी।
उनका गाना मुझे बड़ा अच्छा,
बहुत अच्छा गाता है,
बहुत सुरीला, उस अंदाज को बहुत सीधे अंदाज से गाया।
साथ भी
उन्होंने फेस्टिवल में मैं भी गाया।
अच्छा।
उन्होंने परफॉर्मेंस किया, तो मुझे सुनने का मौका मिला। बहुत अच्छे आर्टिस्ट। तो मैं जहाँ गया हूँ बाहर, तो अपना गाना सुनाया, ये क्लासिकल इंडिया पाकिस्तान का म्यूजिक है। उसको वहाँ के लोगों ने भी यही कहा, जो समझते हैं कि ये बड़ा पुख्ता और बड़ा
ऐसा म्यूजिक है जो सुकून देता है, चैन देता है।
सही।
म्यूजिक ऑफ पीस,
हाँ बिल्कुल, पूरे
म्यूजिक ऑफ लव, ये पूरी दुनिया
सही बात है।
कहा है इसे, और
हाँ
ये
साहब,
हमारे लिए बड़ी खुशकिस्मती की
हम
बात है।
उम्मीद करते हैं कि इंशाल्लाह अगले सालों में आप इतना लंबा गैप ना देंगे हिंदुस्तान आने में, और
ये आप
बल्कि हर साल आप तशरीफ लाएंगे और हम लोगों को अपना
मेरी भी यही ख्वाहिश है, अल्लाह करे कि हम लोग आते रहें, और ये म्यूजिक का प्रचार भी है
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल,
जिसका हम भी हिस्सा ले रहे हैं, और भी जितने कलाकार हैं हिंदुस्तान में या पाकिस्तान में,
जी जी,
सारे ये काम करते हैं। म्यूजिक एक मेरे ख्याल से एक मोहब्बत का पैगाम है,
सही है,
एक मैसेज ऑफ लव, और ये सारे ही दे रहे हैं,
सही है।
और जितना जितना किसी को अल्लाह ने तौफीक दी है,
तो बहुत खुशी हुई
करते हैं।
आपके साथ बैठ
और
के,
मैं हमेशा इंशाअल्लाह ताला करना चाहता हूँ।
आपके साथ बैठ के बात करने का मौका मिला, इसके लिए
मेरी बड़ी खुशकिस्मती कि आपके साथ बात करने का मौका मिला। आप भी बहुत बड़े फनकार हैं, अल्लाह आपको जिंदा रखे।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
अपने काम में एक आदमी है,
किसी
और
काबिल नहीं।
मैं आपको पसंद करता हूँ बहुत।
Yeah, so that was the interview. So as we heard, like he mentioned about Dr. M. Balamurali Krishna ji, and of course he mentioned about how music should be for peace and for love. And of course it was very interesting that he said about combining the two music forms. I wonder if you would have been around and if you'd have heard many of the fusion stuff that goes on right now, what would he have to say on that? So that was an interesting thought that he had. But both the brothers also sang quite a lot of thumris, that is semi-classical compositions. So the next three compositions are such compositions that we're going to hear from them. This next one is going to be in Rag Des, again a very very popular rag. This is a thumri in Keherwa Tal, 8 beats. So here it goes. So, sorry to interrupt, but I was about to say that, we heard them sing those fast, furious tans, really. But in these thumris, we'll also hear them sing some real soft notes, like real subtle, very intricate variations also, which are very much applicable and suitable and required for that particular genre. So here it goes.
Guitar
So that was Tumri in Rag Des. The next one that we are going to hear, this one is one of my favorites that I heard of theirs. It's in Rag Mishra Pahadi. And the words and the way they present the words is really so amazing. The combination of notes that they sing really goes so much in tune with the meaning of the words. And the Tumri goes Saiya Bina Ghar Suna in Mishra Pahadi and set to Kehrwa Tal, 8 beats.
Sim.
was so touching, wasn't it? Especially when they said Suna, and at the end he said Samariya na aaye, right? So all those expressions were just so nice and so subtle, um, in keeping with the words. So this final composition is very interesting, and that is Ustad Nazakat Ali Khan Sahab and Salamat Ali Khan Sahab were the ones who popularized this composition. And you hear many of the these reality show participants, when there is a round of classical or semi-classical music, you will invariably hear them sing this particular thumri. And it is in a very interesting rag called Multani Kafi. So it's a type of kafi. Now Multani is a separate rag, and of course, as all of you know, kafi is a very popular rag. But it is not a combination of those two rags. It is apparently kafi sung in the province of Multan, and that's why it is called Multani Kafi. It's a very unique combination. Gapada sa ni sa re ni dha pa. Gapada sa ni sa re ni da sa dha ni da pa. Gapada ni da pa ga re ga pa ga re sa. Saga ma pa ga sa ni sa. So this is kind of Multani Kafi, and this is a very popular thumri, Saval Mod Muhara, in Tal Kehrwa. So here it goes, and it's in Punjabi. So yeah.
Button. More. Close. Button. 0. Recently played. Heading. Clear. 07 Rag Mulchani Coffee. MP3. 0 out. Select file. Back button.
Sada
So that was Rag Multani Kafi and the very popular Thumri Sanwal Mod Muhara. So next time when you listen to this Thumri being sung in any of these reality shows, you know where the origin is, right? So with this, we really bow down to these legendary brothers, Ustad Nazakat Ali Khan Sahab and Salamat Ali Khan Sahab, who really, like I said, took India by storm literally in early 1950s, and with their very unique style and their gharana, Sham Chaurasi Gharana. So, in fact, there are a couple of very popular and up and coming artists of this gharana. If you may want to listen to them on YouTube, there is this very young and upcoming artist Ramakant Gaikwad, who actually sings this exact style, and it's very interesting to listen to him. So, and of course there are others also. If you go on YouTube and if you just look for Sham Chaurasi Gharana, I'm sure you'll find many more such artists. But the origin are these two legendary artists. So again, salam and namaskar to them, and let's hope that as students of classical music we get introduced to various styles and various perceptions about a rag and different ways of exploring and expressing the same set of swars, right? So that's what all these artists are trying to teach us, and we pray to the Lord Almighty that He gives us the strength and the courage and the ability to absorb all these things, all these teachings, and try to use even a little bit of what we learn into our music, and thereby enhance and increase our own appreciation of our very rich and traditional classical music. So with this, we come to the end of our session for today. The next session will be held in the new year. So yes, this is the final session for 2021. So wishing you all a very, very happy new year and a Merry Christmas and happy holidays. And let's all again come together on the second Sunday of January, that is January 9th, 2022, for the first session of the new year, which is going to be session 17 in all. And let's hope and let's pray that our musical journey continues and we get inspired more and more by all these legendary artists and maestros. So thank you so much to all of you who attended this session, and we'll see you all on January 9th. So see you all next year for session number 17. Thank you and namaskar.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
System dialog. System.nyln. 2 meetings.